Business leaders, sales leaders, here's why your sales team doesn't want to do demand generation. We're all the same. None of us want to look silly. And they have fear, uncertainty, and doubt in terms of what's going to happen on a demand generation call. They have that for two reasons. First of all, they have no structure and process for the demand generation call. So they really have no other strategy outside of trying to keep somebody on the other end of the phone talking. The second reason they feel so uncomfortable is they do it so rarely that they actually don't get good at it. So you never practice it, you never rehearse it, you never get better. So every time you do it, you're filled with anxiety. Some people feel the same way about public speaking. People who don't feel that way about public speaking do it all the time. So sales leaders or business leaders, if you want to make your team better at demand generation, first of all, get them some training on demand generation. Secondly, set up with the team that you're going to have a power day of demand generation where once a week, everybody has to do it. And you'll start at the beginning of the session and the end of the session. Maybe it's a power morning, but that way you give them no option. They have to do the demand generation. But as a team, we feel better when we're all doing it together and we'll collectively learn as a team. So at the end of each session, we'll get together and say what worked, what didn't work, who had a success story that we can build on. We have to actually book it in to make sure it happens with these power days or power hours. Secondly, train and coach the team on how to do it.